Introduction to Java Collections Framework. Introduction to Java Collections. Hello, everyone. We're going to explore the Java Collections Framework. Collections are essential because they allow us to manage groups of objects, like similar to organizing your music collection or context list. And the Java Collection Framework simplifies these tasks, providing robust, high-performance ways to store and manipulate data. And we're gonna try to see why this is important. Core interfaces of the Java Collections Framework. Let's look into the core interfaces of the Java Collections Framework. We're only gonna cover like a surface of these, and we'll have a dedicated lecture for each interface. So at the foundation, we have the iterable interface, and this iterable interface allows us to iterate over collections using enhanced for loops, making our code cleaner and more readable. And next, there is a collection interface, which is really the heart of the framework. They provide basic methods like add, remove, and size, which are essential for managing elements in any collection. And then we further categorize collections into lists, sets, and queues, and they each serve distinct purposes depending on whether we need to order, whether we need uniqueness, or whether we're like a queuing system. And here is an example of using list interface, set interface, and queue interface. Map interface, moving on to the map interface. So map interface, one thing that is special is that they're not a true descendant of the collection interface, but an essential part of the framework. It's because maps store pair of keys and values with each key uniquely identifying a value. And this is really useful for situations where you want to retrieve data via a specific identifier, which is similar to looking up a word in a dictionary to find its definition. So some languages would use the term dictionary, and we commonly use hash maps for general purposes where order is important, and tree maps when we need our keys sorted. Practical examples. So here are some examples. You can see with list, we can use array list where elements are ordered and they can be accessed by their index, as you can see. And this is really useful when you have tasks like maintaining a to-do list. And we have sets, and sets are usually ideal when you want to make sure that there are no duplicates in the collection. So one example could be you may want to maintain a guest list at an event. And finally, maps are perfect for key value associations. So they're really good for storing user settings. And in terms of performance considerations, it is important to choose the right collection type to ensure efficiency and effectiveness in your applications. Advanced topics. So as we advance, we are gonna touch on some specialized aspect of the Java Collections framework. They are concurrent collections and immutable collections. So concurrent collections like concurrent hash map provide thread-safe operations to manage data in multi-threaded environments. And immutable collections are collections that cannot be changed once created. This is really important for maintaining data integrity and avoiding side effects in your code. Conclusion, we looked at some of the essential components of the Java Collections framework and looked at some basic operations to choosing the right collection type based on needs. We will look into each collection more in the subsequent lectures. And thank you everyone for your attention.